What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLS 450. This vehicle is powered by a 3-liter inline-6 turbo with EQ boost with 362 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle does 0 to 60 roughly in around 5 seconds, if I remember correctly. Really nice interior in the CLS, brown interior. The seats look really cool, but they're very comfortable and have really good lateral support. You have Burmester audio, heated seats, typical Benz interior. You have nice open port wood trim. Looks like it's really high quality wood trim as well. Some people don't like the wood trim, but I really like wood trim if it's done correctly, like this one. You have a wireless charging tray over there. For some reason it says it doesn't work. Looks like it's not a touch screen. You have to use this little mouse pad thing in the center to control your screen. Put the vehicle in reverse. You have a regular backup camera, not 360 view, and you have a regular gauge cluster with the center screen. And you know, typical Mercedes steering wheel as well, but it has like the older graphics, which you found in like the 2010s. This is a 2019 model, so that makes sense. Paddle shifters as well. You have Sport Plus, and we're going to drive it in Sport Plus, as I always do. You have a sunroof, but let's walk around the CLS 450 and see what it looks like. You have a brown exterior, which is interesting. Brown on brown, not really a color combo that you find often. Yeah, it's a good looking car. Looks sporty, it's low to the ground. And I really like the AMG wheel design on these. This look has like the AMG line package, I believe. I apologize for that horn in the background. And here are the rear seats. Dual outlet exhaust. Here's the trunk, pretty big trunk too. I like that. All right, now let's get it out on the road. Yeah, I can see that the EQ boost taking over at like these low speeds. So it gives you more low-end torque, and we'll use some the battery power whenever it has a chance to save on gas and make low-speed driving more effortless, right? I actually can really see that kicking in. It's actually kind of cool, and you have like that you know, hybrid whine from the car too. And the car is fast. Very effortless acceleration. I think this EQ power is very seamlessly tied in with the transmission on the vehicle, so I really think that was well done. Just off that brief acceleration alone, I was pretty impressed with that, you know. Blind spots are pretty good. Like, I can see, despite it being like a pretty low to the ground sedan, this one kind of has more of like a vibe of like a Grand Coupe from BMW, you know? It's more of a coupe design, but it has like rear doors and rear seats as well. But yeah, visibility is good. Very big rear view windows. I'm impressed with that, the pickup. This one has a 56,000 miles. So for a 2019 model, that's pretty low miles actually, you know? Yeah, this is quick for sure. It's quicker than I thought it would be. Steering feels nice. It's well weighted. The car feels nimble. I really like the seats, as I mentioned. Like, I feel very supported. My back feels supported. My shoulders feel supported, and you know, even the thigh support's really good on the lateral sides. Like on the sides, it holds your thigh, you know, gives you good comfort. This thing is fast. I'm very impressed. CLS is a nice car. Always has been. Let's take a quick U-turn. See how it does there. Nice. Nice turning radius, actually. What the heck? I did not expect it to kick in like that. That's cool. Took a little bit of a second for with that transmission lag, but it is aggressive in Sport Plus. I really thought this car would be like more laid back, because it's not like a 53 AMG or 63 AMG or whatever. So yeah, that's cool. Even for a 450, it's fast and has very aggressive driving characteristics in Sport Plus. That's pretty cool. Nice. You know, let's just go straight. If you don't want to see your phone or whatever you have in the cup holders, if it's small stuff, you can close that, have an uninterrupted center console. But overall, this 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLS 450 is a very nice car. Comfortable, good looking, and fast. I'm very impressed with it. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grab's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own Mercedes.